All right, for the first time in over 20 years, we are finally getting a new license plate design here in Pennsylvania. Replacing the old blue, white, and yellow stripe design like this is a solid off-white plate, dark blue letters, Pennsylvania arched across the top. It features the Liberty Bell in the center, and then the standard car tags say "Let Freedom Ring" at the bottom, and then the truck plates just say truck. It's no coincidence that we're getting these plates. The United States is about to turn 250 years old, and to celebrate the birthplace of this awesome country, right here in Pennsylvania, in Philadelphia, we're getting new tags and new welcome signs with the updated design. I love the design. It's simple, yet patriotic, and it's just cool. Now, opinions aside, if you want to get the new plate, here's how you do it. All you need to do is have $13 and fill out a form. I'll have it linked down below. It's form MV-44LB. Now, to clarify, this is just for cars and trucks for now. I'm not too sure about trailers or portion tags. It is worth mentioning, I used to have a railroad plate on my C10 here, and if you want the new plate and you have any kind of special fun plate, preserve our heritage like I had, military, whatever, they're not making it yet in the new design, so I'm gonna have to weigh that. But filling out the form is simple. Pretty much all the information you're going to need to fill out the form is on your registration card, title number, address, plate type, stuff like that. Sign it, send in 13 bucks via check, send it up to Harrisburg, and they'll mail you a new plate. If you have a custom vanity plate in the current design, you can actually replace it with the new plate for free. For whatever reason, it doesn't cost any money. Let me know how you guys are feeling about the new plate design. This video is completely out of my wheelhouse. I'm just very excited not to have a yellow stripe and a website following me around everywhere. But if you're into square bodies, old Jeeps, maybe stick around. Take it easy. I'll see you in the next one.